Hello and welcome. Today is Friday, the 9th day of March, 2018. This is the 4-minute morning. Everything you do, like always, is your own risk and own reward. And we'll start off with Bitcoin on the daily time frame, having its fourth red candle down move in a row, and thus breaking down below this area of a double top formation. I'll be looking for price to go down next to around a pierce below 7,700. If it's going to find that level of support, let's take a look at this on a shorter term time frame. On the 400-minute, with this level of support, because it's had an okay break below, if this is not going to go down much or much more lower, meaning it holds above or stays above 8,000, and then it has a fast move breaking above 9,400 very quickly thereafter, I'll be looking at the possibility of the failed breakdown of the 93 handle and the faster move higher. On the 60-minute time frame, there has been several cases this has resisted the 18 average since it broke down the middle part of the screen, and it's got to do a lot to get this thing rolling back over. It's doing the first thing right now, band flattening out and staying at least near the 18 average of highs. So if it can get above it, then that would be its first attempt to revert this bear market. When we take a look at this now on the weekly chart, it's continuation of this correctionary move from this long-term uptrend with support coming in at the 23.6 level a few weeks back. And if this level gives in with this support being established, that would mean the start of at least one leg lower down to most likely 3,000, as that would be the 38.2% level. Price action getting and holding above this 14,000 after this kind of consolidation is very powerful if that event happens soon. There's not too many altcoins up right now. Most of them are doing very poorly against Bitcoin. UNB, Unbreakable, after this downtrend, has had this very interesting correctionary phase over the last week and change amongst a major key Fibonacci point after it supported a key one right before the move. Breaking out above this point, I would have to say this has the legs to at least make a move to the previous high. It's looking good right now. Of course, Trust was looking pretty good too at one point, Trust Plus rather, as it had the band flattening out, a few days consolidating the 18 average of highs, but we see after established this level of resistance that this red candle down, which is totally fine, was preceded or followed through with a big one down to the 18 or to the previous low. Definitely a large area for concern of this failed breakout. I end up selling this and taking those funds and moving it to a different altcoin, which has hit a key Fibonacci point. And that is Digital Note, code XDN, as all it has done is make a move to this key Fibonacci line that I drew in, obviously for the reasons of accumulating in this area. So now we'll see how well this area becomes that of support. And let's take a look at another one. Stratus came down to a 61.8% correction. So therefore, I added into this, and when I look at this, we got a price of 61. The 18 average of highs is 73. I'll be looking to sell this around 90 and this move above the 18 average, because that's what I'm looking to do by below here. But I'll just see again how well this area acts as support. If it doesn't, you can expect usually quick moves to continue further. This is Litecoin. I'll talk about that later in the day. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.